Writing your college essay can feel really daunting. It doesn't have to. Here are 3 lessons I've learned from working one-on-one with students as a college essay coach. Number 1, you matter more than your college essay topic. Colleges want to know about you and the values that are important to you and that you'll bring to their institution. Focus on that and less about making sure that you have the quote-unquote right essay topic. Number 2, use the small things to tell me about the big things. You can't write your life story in 650 words. Look around you. You're surrounded by objects. They represent your experiences and your values. Number 3, the way to discover your authentic voice, use your spoken words. You'd be surprised at how powerful your spoken words appear on paper. So instead of starting with a blank sheet, ask someone that you trust to interview you and ask questions about your life. Record the conversation, check out the transcript, and find points that resonate. I'm Geoff Decker. I'm a college essay coach. You can check out more of my work at thecollegeessayjournalist.com.